And we're at the Pierce's house. Where is he? You're dead, Jeanette. You're dead.
No!
It's a fish in the water. We're sharing. We're sharing.
See that? Practice.
No.
It's on.
Yeah, right.
I can't swim anymore.
It's all clean now, Jeanette. Is it warm?
Yeah.
Later.
They're not
Just gonna walk in here. Just walking in, and here we had Mr. Pierce washing dishes.
Doing the dishes as normal. Hey,
Where's Mike?
Tom, go get him.
Shiggs?
No. Hey.
What's he doing at Tom Shiggs,
I
huh?
don't know, Brian. What's he doing? I don't know. What's he doing, Brian?
Hey, I'm not taping Eddie. You don't see any red
be
light?
quiet. Here you are.
What? Where's the red light?
Let me see.
What are you looking for, Eddie? Huh?
There it is. Get away, Brian. Get away. No, don't go anymore.
I'm gonna go pick up.
There,
Let's
it's
go
on the side
get
of your
him.
head. By your head. That's
No, look. Yo. We are
to Tom's house, man.
going to Tom's house. Now, what the hell is Costa doing, or
Tom,
Mike doing there?
Tom. I think he's a. I won't say nothing.
Let's check out our old house here and see how it's doing.
Yeah, turn.
There it is. There's the old house. Boy, do I miss it. Look at my...
Remember them trees we used to climb?
Aw, Eddie, you miss it.
I miss it.
Alright, we're going up there. We're gonna see what the hell Costa's doing up here. Eddie, what's he doing, huh?
I don't know. People, let's see.
Let's see. Yup.
Are we good?
He's trying to get good.
Yeah, he's trying to
Let's
get
see.
good. Who else is here? That Mike?
He's trying. There he is. There's Mike right there.
Costa.
And then he's trying.
Costa, that fat.
There's Bomba Bear.
You're not taping, are you?
Yeah.
Again, Tom, I see you again every time I come here. Look at Mike, he sucks. Oh my god. Costa, what do you say about him? Costa, is my tape on? Like he said before, it's always on?
Who you taping?
And we got the Bomba Bear here.
What was that?
What's that, Bomba? You saying something to me?
It's not on.
Look at Tom, he's a diner kid now.
Red light's not on.
You can't tell, Tom, huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Isn't that a little tricky for you, Bomba Bear, huh? Let's see you make that shot. Come on. Oh my god, does he ever rot? Does he ever stink? Come on. Oh, he's real cool. He made that shot, Bomba Bear did. Let's see where Busta is. This is a search for Costa. Is that on? Can't tell, Costa, can you? Huh?
What?
Can you tell if it's on?
It's on. It's always on. Is that yours?
So what have you been, Costa? What have you been lately? How's college?
It's pretty good.
What are you doing with your fingers? I thought you stopped doing that. Oh, you starting up again?
It's camera nervousness, man.
Okay, we'll stop it there. Just fade out and Costa.